By the early 1990s, China had more than 100 titanium dioxide manufacturers. In the mid-late 1990s, China introduced 115 zero-Ta chloride-process titanium dioxide production line and 3 sulfate process production lines from abroad. This marked a turning point, breaking away from the limitations of relying solely on the sulfate process and small-scale production, and opening a new chapter in China's titanium dioxide industry. With the rise of chloride process technology, Liangjiang has been dedicated to the powder industry for over 15 years. With deep expertise in customer applications, we understand what kind of titanium dioxide materials best fit your needs. Liangjiang offers a complete range of both chloride process and sulfate process titanium dioxide products, and we warmly welcome you to contact us for cooperation.